OBS does a lot of stuff. That it does. I think you can look at the screen and you see how it actually appears, and it has got a lot of interfaces that we can still use. Now for this case, now I'm going to take you through how to record your screen and make good videos that you're going to post anywhere and be accepted. Now in this video, what you're going to learn is actually OBS. There are a lot of platforms actually that you can use. There are a lot of softwares that you can use to record the screen. CapCut itself can record your screen. Clipchamp can record your screen. A variety of applications or softwares that you can use and then record your screen. But among those, I have actually brought you this easier one that you're going to use, and it is going to help you in a lot of stuff if you try to give it time and learn it. Now let me take you through how to first download it. Then after all, I'm going to show you how to use it step by step. Now let's go to right away on the screen, and then we go to the browser. Then you type in OBS. This is the best actually. You know why I wanted to teach you this one? This is the best among all. There are a lot of, there is Camtasia, very many. But of this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to do it using OBS. Now you go to your browser and then you say OBS. Then it is going to pop up here right on your screen. Then you go right away to the OBS website, which is this one. I think you can see the logo. And then you say download. The moment you say download here, you click on the download button here. It is going to take you to a download page. Let me place it right there. Then it is going to tell you to either use Windows. If you are on Windows, then either it is going to show you to use the app, the Apple actually. Then, or it is going to give you another option here right away. Now, for us who are using Windows, we are going to use Windows here. So if I place here Windows, it is actually going to download. Then you'll see it right away in the corner trying to download. Then if you want, you can still download it using the installer right away here. And then after installing it right away on your computer, then you try to open it. It is actually going to open, and then after opening, it is going to look like this one. You see this one? It is going to look like this one. Now, after installing OBS on your machine, you must make sure that your machine is at least Intel 5 and above. That is 1. 2, your machine must be at least 8 gen and above. That means 8 generations and above. Then another thing that is required that I would like to tell you also, your machine, if possible, it is better you get a machine which has NVIDIA or a new generation machine starting from at least generation 8 and above. Below generation 8 and below, it is not going to actually do what exactly you want. Along the way, it is going to give you hardship. Now, apparently, we have installed our OBS. I believe you have installed it already there, and you have known how to install OBS. Now let us open our OBS and we see how we are going to use it. Now right away on that interface you are seeing on your screen, we are going to open OBS, and you try to make sure that you open it as an admin right here. Now for my case, I'm going to open it like this. Actually, I'm recording this video when I'm actually using OBS. Now you say launch anyway. The moment you say launch anyway, you see right now, I'm right away on your screen. Now what you're going to do with your OBS, you are going to add up what we call scenes. This is an interface, actually, OBS interface that we are going to use, and this is how it looks like if you have never seen OBS as software. Now right here, we have a lot of stuff that you are seeing right on your screen right now. Let me magnify it so that you can easily see it. Right now, we have file, edit, new, view, actually, docs. We are going to see each at a time so that you can easily learn how to use this software. This software, the way you are seeing me right on your screen, it is going to help you to do a lot of stuff, most especially when it comes to recording and other kind of stuff related to videos. Now we are here right away. I think you can see now these are the scenes that I've already put there. Now from tomorrow, if you want to learn more concerning with this one, you try to comment right down there so that I will bring another video and then I show you how I'm actually doing everything of this kind. Now apparently, now this is me right on your screen. Now if I want to add a camera, actually I have a USB cable right here and it is connected to my phone. The best app that you can still use on your phone to actually capture an image or a video from your phone camera until the machine or the computer, you can either use IVCam, you can use Iridium, you can use there are a lot of webcams that you can still use that will actually help you. Now from that corner, when you place a USB cable, you use actually USB cable into your phone, you make sure the webcam is installed on your phone. I cannot show it right now because it requires some internet, and then I'm using the exact phone that I'm recording this video. Right away, the picture you are seeing on the software here, it is a feed actually that is coming from the phone. Now here, then you can start adding. You see here right away in the corner, you can start adding the scenes. Actually, we have the scenes and then we have the sources. So for this case, the scenes, let me first add one scene so that you can easily see. Now this is the scene, and you can name the scene. You name it here, then you give it a name. Assume that you have given it a name, and then you come here, you choose which one you want to add. Let me assume that I wanted to add a camera. Then the camera, you come here and you say video capture device. If you don't understand all these things, because I know for the first time, for the starters actually, they are going to confuse you. But along the way, you will have to learn, and then the confusion will have to disappear. So for right now, let's go back and see. Now assume that you want to add your camera. Now you go to video capture device. I think you can see it here, right there. Then here you say okay. Then another interface will appear, and then you choose which webcam you are using. And right away, I think you are seeing the webcam that I actually installed on my phone. I have Iridium webcam. I have HP wide vision camera. That is actually the camera that is within the machine, the computer. I have Camo. Then I have Droid video cam. Then I have eSoft. These are all webcams. Now for this case, I'm going to choose this one. I think now you see that they have appeared on the screen right away. This is now how to record your screen or your face using either your phone. Yes, because when you install any application, a webcam actually, the feed will have to appear on your machine, and then you start recording yourself the way you are seeing me. Then from there, tomorrow, if you like it, I'm going to show you more than this one, so that you can learn it all, and then you know how to do it yourself. Actually, OBS does a lot of stuff. That it does. I think you can look at the screen and you see how it actually appears, and it has got a lot of interfaces that we can still use. Now for this case, let me stop this video here. Then tomorrow, if you like it, I'm going to take you into a lot of stuff within the OBS, and then you learn how to use each and every button that you are seeing on the screen. So for this case, I thank you for watching this video, and I urge you to like and subscribe and actually ask questions. Now assume the way you are seeing me on the screen right away, I can do a lot of stuff. Now this is my camera, this is my video. I think you can see me right now. I can do a lot of stuff using this one. Now first look, you press Alt and then hold it down, then you cut it like this. I think you can see. You can even put it this side. A lot of stuff. It does a lot of stuff, and this is for free. It doesn't ask any money. So for this case, I believe that you have learned actually something, and I hope to hear the feedback from you, so that I can continue teaching you all these things. Thank you very much for watching this video.